Good afternoon, David Montelongo. Just wanted to check in with you guys, shoot a quick video. I'm here at one of my projects out front. We just built this little front porch. We also built a really nice back porch on the back of this house, poured the concrete, built the roof structure, tied it in to the existing house and made it look nice and quaint and complement the style of the house. Anyways, so we're wrapped up with this project, and so picking up the yard sign, and thanks for the referral. So we are taking the yard sign from one project a couple houses down and across the street, because we're starting a new project over here. And this project, we're going to take out all the old water lines underneath of the house, put in new water lines, put in a new 1-inch water line from the street service to the house, and do some concrete work on the side of the house, build a new water heater shed, install a new water heater, and do some miscellaneous improvements on this particular house here in one of the nice, quaint San Antonio neighborhoods in the 78209 area code. We're in Terrell Heights, doing quite a bit of work in Terrell Heights, and folks improving their property, adding value to their homes and to their properties. And so we get to be a part of that, and we appreciate it. So there we go, set that sign and start a new project. And if you guys need home remodeling work, we're Sunrise Restoration. We're absolute experts in what we do. The family's been doing this business since 1975 and doing it in excellence for all these years. Sunrise Restoration's been around for 3 years now. We've got an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and have tons of customer reviews, and we only have 5-star reviews from our customers because we give great service and great design ideas and exceptional project management, and really do a great job for our clients. So if you need that type of service, let us know. We'd love to help you out.